Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now. This is Srikanth. So today in this video, let us discuss about Indian Polity Bits Part 2. Let's begin. So here is the note. Dear aspirants, the bits provided in this video are useful for your revision before the examination. The first question, which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to constitutional remedies? And the answer is C, Article 32. Second question, who among the following is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? And the answer is B, Vice President. Third question, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides safeguards to the linguistic minorities? And the answer is C, Article 29. Fourth question, in which of the following years the Government of India had amended the Child Labour Prevention Act, banning employment of children under 14 years of age as domestic servant or as a worker in dabas, restaurants, tea shops, etc. And the answer is A, October 2006. Fifth question, United Progressive Alliance was an coalition system of government at the center. Which one of the following parties was not the partner in this alliance? And the answer is B, Bharatiya Janata Party. Sixth question, who among the following has discussed the harm principle in political theory? And the answer is A, John Stuart Mill. Seventh question, which one of the following countries has recently adopted democracy after a long time struggle against military dictatorship? And the answer is B, Myanmar. Eighth question, which among the following country of South America continent did not adopt democracy till 2000? And the answer is A, Peru. Ninth question, how many seats are reserved for women in local bodies election? And the answer is D, 13%. 10th question, which among the following articles is not related to the right to equality? And the answer is A, Article 13. 11th question, which one of the following statements correctly explains the meaning of sovereignty? And the answer is D, A, B and C. 12th question, which one of the following point is taken from the US Constitution? And the answer is D, B and C. 13th question, Indian Constitution was adopted by the Government of India on? And the answer is B, 26th November 1949. 14th question, how many articles are there in Indian Constitution originally? And the answer is D, 395. 15th question, equality before law is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is A, 14. 16th question, which article deals with right to elementary education? And the answer is A, Article 21A. 17th question, fundamental rights are granted to citizens under which article? And the answer is D, Article 12, 35. 18th question, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with? And the answer is B, abolition of untouchability. 19th question, protection of interest of minorities is mentioned in which article? And the answer is C, Article 29. 20th question, fundamental duties is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. Article 51A. 21st question. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles? And the answer is A. Part 4. 22nd question. How many schedules are there in Indian Constitution? Answer D. 12. 23rd question. In which article of the Indian Constitution the admission or establishment of new states is mentioned? And the answer is B. Article 2. 24th question. Rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan is mentioned in which article? And the answer is C. Article 6. 25th question. Who made this statement? The preamble of the Constitution is the horoscope of Indian Republic. And the answer is A. K.M. Munshi. 26th question. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. Article 11. 27th question. Article 24 of the Indian Constitution deals with? And the answer is C. Prohibition of employment of children in factories. 28th question. Provision for free and compulsory education for children is mentioned in which article? And the answer is B. Article 45. 29th question. Procedure for the impeachment of the President is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. Article 61. 30th question. Article 148 of the Indian Constitution deals with? And the answer is B. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 31st question. Annual financial statement is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? And the answer is A. Article 112. 32nd question. Establishment and Constitution of Supreme Court mentioned in which article? And the answer is C. Article 124. 33rd question. Duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor General is mentioned in which article? And the answer is B. Article 149. 34th question. The model code of conduct for political parties and candidates to be followed during election is? And the answer is B. Specified in the Representation of the People Act 1951. 35th question. Who is the chairman of the Lok Sabha? And the answer is C. Speaker. 36th question. Which one of the following articles empowers the President to appoint Prime Minister of India? And the answer is B. Article 75. 37th question. The Constituent Assembly formed the drafting committee of Indian Constitution on? And the answer is A. 29th August 1947. 38th question. Which one of the following sets of bills is presented to the Parliament along with the budget? And the answer is C. Finance Bill and Appropriation Bill. 39th question. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? And the answer is D. The Government of India Act 1935. 40th question. In which article of the Constitution of India has the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha been provided? And the answer is B, Article 108. 41st question. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by the Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the upper house within. And the answer is B, 14 days. 42nd question. Name the committee for formulating the framework of restructuring railways. And the answer is C, Rakesh Mohan Committee. 43rd question. Who among the following is or not appointed by the President of India? And the answer is C, Vice President. 44th question. Which of the following committees are committees of Parliament? And the answer is A, 1, 2 and 3. 45th question. The Chief Election Commissioner of India holds office for a period of. And the answer is B, for 6 years or the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. 46th question. Kamaraj Plan was a plan formulated in 1963 by, and the answer is A, Chief Minister of Madras, whereby the senior ministers were asked to leave government and work to rejuvenate the party. 47th question. The tenure of every panchayat shall be for 5 years from the date of, and the answer is A, declaration of the election results. 48th question. What does Article 17 of the Constitution say? And the answer is D, all the above. 49th question. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? And the answer is C, the President of India. 50th question. Who is known as the sculptor of the Constitution of India? And the answer is C, B.R. Ambedkar. 51st question. What is known as Title India? And the answer is C, village. 52nd question. Who decides disputes relating with the allotment of symbols to political parties? And the answer is D, Election Commission. 53rd question. What was the privy purse in the contest of the history of modern India? And the answer is C. 54th question. The term of member of the Rajya Sabha is, and the answer is B, 6 years. 55th question. Finance Commission in India are set up from time to time, and the answer is D, for transfer of economic resources from center to states. 56th question. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? And the answer is C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. 57th question. Who among the following did not serve as the Vice President before becoming President of India? And the answer is C, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 58th question. A federal structure of India was first put forward by the, and the answer is B, Act of 1919. 59th question. Which writ is issued by a High Court or the Supreme Court to compel an authority to perform a function that it was not performing? And the answer is C, writ of mandamus. 60th question. The concept Lok Adalat is mainly to expedite cases related to? And the answer is A, 1, 3 and 4. 61st question. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from his office, and the answer is D, on the basis of proved misbehavior by 2/3 majority of both houses of parliament. 62nd question. If the Speaker of the Lok Sabha intends to vacate his office before the expiry of his term, he sends his resignation to the, and the answer is C, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. 63rd question. In which case did the Supreme Court of India determine the Parliament has power to make amendment in fundamental rights, but it cannot make any change in the basic structure of the Constitution? And the answer is B, Keshavanand Bharati case. 64th question. First woman judge to be 64th question. First woman judge to be appointed to Supreme Court was, and the answer is C, M. Fatima BV. 65th question. Which of the following political parties was first derecognized and later on again recognized as a national party by Election Commission of India? Answer B, Communist Party of Indian Marxist. 66th question. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? State or UT seat of High Court. And the answer is B, Daman and Diu, Ahmedabad. 67th question. Right to property according to Constitution of India is a? Answer C, legal right. 68th question. Which of the following amendments in the Constitution of India are related with the institution of Panchayati Raj? And the answer is D, both 3 and 4. 69th question. The first 5-year plan in India was launched in the year? Answer A, 1951. 70th question. Who is the Chief Law Officer of India? And the answer is B, Attorney General. Who prepared the first draft Constitution of India? And the answer is C, Advisory Branch of the Constituent Assembly. 72nd question. Who was the chairman of the draft committee of the Constituent Assembly? And the answer is A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 73rd question. When did Constituent Assembly adopt a national flag? And the answer is B, 22nd July 1947. 74th question. Who was the last British Governor General who addressed the Constituent Assembly? And the answer is B, Lord Mountbatten. 75th question. When was the Constitution of India adopted by Constituent Assembly? And the answer is C, 26th November 1949. 76th question. In the Parliament of Indian Upper House is known as? Answer B, Rajya Sabha. 77th question. In the national flag, what does saffron color represent? And the answer is A, spirit of renunciation. 78th question. In the national flag, which color is used in the wheel? And the answer is B, navy blue. 79th question. Chief Election Commissioner of India holds office for a period of? And the answer is C, for 6 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. 80th question. The first election commissioner of India was? And the answer is C, Sukumar Sen. 81st question. The judge of the Supreme Court of India now retired at the age of? And the answer is 65 years. 82. Which of the following bills cannot be introduced first in the Rajya Sabha? And the answer is B, money bill. 83rd question. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha? And the answer is D, votes only in case of tie. 84th question. First state in India which was created on linguistic basis? And the answer is D, Andhra Pradesh. 85th question. During which 5-year plan was Green Revolution initiated in India? And the answer is B, 6th. 86th question. Planning Commission is a? Answer C, quasi political body. 87th question. National Development Council was constituted on? And the answer is C, August 6th, 1952. 88th question. Which law officer shall have the right to speak in both the houses of Parliament? And the answer is C, Attorney General. 89th question. Which article of the Constitution of India mentioned the posts of the Chairman and Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha? And the answer is B, 89. 90th question. In which session of Parliament railway and general budgets are presented? And the answer is B, first session. 91. Where wards committees are found? And the answer is C, municipalities. 92. Who has the authority to approve president rule in the state? And the answer is A, Parliament. 93rd question. Constitutionally, who has the power to make a law on the subject mentionable in the Union list? And the answer is B, Parliament. 94th question. In the Union government, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the? And the answer is C, Lok Sabha. 95th question. How many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha? And the answer is B, 12. 96th question. The judges of the High Court of a state are appointed by? And the answer is President. 97th question. According to which articles of the Indian Constitution is Hindi in Devanagari script the official language of the Union? And the answer is B, Article 343. 98th question. Who decides allotment of symbols to political parties? And the answer is D, Election Commission. 99th question. After declaration of financial emergency by the President, what is the period of operation without approval by the Parliament? And the answer is C, 2 months. 100. Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under the administrative control of? And the answer is C, Portuguese. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Know. Thank you. Have a great day.